science guy. Bill Nye, the science guy. Bill Nye, the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Hello, and welcome to Monday. This week on Posters Paint, it's Science Week, where we talk about sciencey things. So, in my time at high school, one of my favorite classes I ever took was AP Chemistry, with a teacher named Mr. Slusher, who retired this year. And in AP Chemistry, or like college chemistry, etc., you have to memorize electron configurations, which are the amount of electrons certain atoms contain, and there's a specific order of energy levels. It's really interesting, and for some reason it was really easy for me to memorize it, but I haven't really thought about it in a while. But I'm pretty sure it's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 5d10. I don't know. I can't remember from there. But it's this weird pattern of things, and the easiest way to remember how it goes is by writing it all out in order and then going by diagonals. And yeah. So that's the electrons in an atom. And I also memorized facts about elements, which weren't really required to learn on the test or anything, but for some reason I did. So anyway, and there's nothing around me. My computer screen is on Bill Nye. My computer is bare. My area is bare. Okay? So, off the top of my head, I'm going to tell you everything I can remember about potassium. Potassium, atomic number 18. 18 protons, 18 electrons, positive charge plus 1. Meaning that it will most likely release an electron to a negative ion, such as chlorine, in the event of an ionic bond. Potassium is an extremely reactive element and can be found in all sorts of compounds, such as KCl, a form of table salt, or KClO4, a lethal poison. Potassium is an alkali metal. 18 protons, 18 electrons. Atomic mass 38.8, I think. Let me check that. I think it's at 38.8, but yeah. So I only got a 3 on my AP Chemistry exam, so I mean, I'm not that impressive or anything, but I loved AP Chemistry. It was so much fun. Potassium? That's not how you spell potassium. Potassium. Atomic mass. Atomic mass. No, Google, you're not telling me the atomic mass. Silly Google. Okay, 39.09. I said 38.8. That's pretty close. And I took AP Chemistry last year, which is pretty much 2 years ago now, since I'm not in high school anymore. Anyway, I'm ranting, but tomorrow I leave for Florida State University in Tallahassee for my orientation, which will be for 3 days, and then Sunday starts a 2-week summer music camp where I may or may not be able to continue making videos. So we'll see what happens with that. I mean, hopefully the other people here on Posters Paint will keep me posted on the themes so I can try to keep up. But I don't know whether I will be able to post videos or not. So yeah. Yeah, just have a nice week. Happy Science Week. Science is cool. And Ira out.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.